Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the deepening crisis at our national parks. Staffing cuts, a federal hiring freeze, and confusing loopholes are threatening the visitor experience and even public safety. Over 1,000 permanent National Park Service employees are losing their jobs, and thousands of seasonal workers have had their job offers rescinded. While the administration initially exempted certain positions, like law enforcement rangers and public safety dispatchers, the freeze has still impacted these critical roles, creating chaos just as peak season approaches. At the same time, the Interior Department has fired 2,300 employees on probationary status, part of a broader federal workforce reduction. Agencies like the U.S. Forest Service and Bureau of Land Management are also seeing widespread job cuts, leaving firefighters, maintenance crews, and visitor service teams short-staffed. And here's where it gets complicated. Some positions were supposedly exempt, but in practice, hiring remains frozen. Even seasonal staff who return every year are left in limbo. At places like Yellowstone and Yosemite, where park operations depend on seasonal workers, this hiring freeze loophole is causing major uncertainty. What does this mean for visitors? Expect longer lines, reduced emergency response teams, fewer ranger-led programs, and even basic services, like restroom cleaning and trash pickup, to be stretched thin. Some parks may even close visitor centers. The National Mall in Washington, D.C., is not immune. This iconic site, home to landmarks like the Lincoln Memorial and Washington Monument, could see reduced maintenance and limited services as the summer tourist season kicks off. With these staffing cuts, our public lands may struggle to function as intended. This isn't just about inconvenience, it's about the long-term impact on conservation, safety, and access to America's most treasured landscapes. What do you think? Have you noticed changes at your favorite national park? Let's discuss in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, and let's keep the conversation going.